give our pledge of commitment to stay drug-free. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the policymakers, implementers, and government workers, as partners in anti-drug campaign of the government, do hereby pledge our commitment and support in the efforts, initiatives, and strategies geared toward achieving a drug-free Philippines. We commit to actively prevent the proliferation of illicit drugs in our communities through our platform of delivery services. To the public, we are duty-bound to serve. Live a healthy, drug-free lives. And be unyielding in our efforts to become productive members of our society. So help us God.